This is Dixie Cravens for CIT 336 Section 2, and this is the video for Enhancement 3. I am going to run my index Acme controller page, and this is, let me show that the account works, the login page works, the register page works. And then if I go back, I can show the validation for the HTML, no errors, and then the validation for the CSS, no errors, and then going on to the login page, here's the HTML, no errors, and the CSS, no errors, and then going to the create an account or register page, here's the HTML, no errors, and the CSS, no errors. That's it.